Hi, I'm Mike Cook, your local realtor, and welcome to Downsizing Made Easy. Today I'm going over the top strategies that I've used to help my clients successfully downsize in the Eugene area. First, we'll cover the most important part, and that's where are you going to move to. Then we'll cover what you're going to do with your items, and then finally, how to stage your home to sell. If all this information still feels overwhelming by the end of the video, I'll share how I help my clients with the downsizing process so they can focus on their next chapter. Chapter 1, where are you moving to? The very first thing you need to know about downsizing is where you're going to move to. This helps determine how many things that you can bring with you and what needs to go. So let's explore the main type of homes you might consider. A smaller single-family home are perfect for downsizers who want privacy and some outdoor space without the upkeep of a larger home. They provide flexibility to create a home that suits your lifestyle while simplifying maintenance. These homes are ideal if you'd like a balance between independence and manageable living space. Condos. Condos offer low-maintenance living with built-in amenities like pools, gyms, security. They're great if you want a community feel and the convenience of not worrying about the exterior upkeep. Keep in mind, condos have HOA fees and less private outdoor space, but they can provide an active lifestyle. Manufactured home parks. Manufactured home communities can provide affordable, social, and low-maintenance options. Many parks offer shared amenities and social activities that make it easy to connect with neighbors. One consideration is park rent, which is an ongoing cost factor in your budget. But many residents enjoy the strong sense of community and simpler lifestyle. Retirement communities. Retirement communities offer convenient living with on-site services that make day-to-day life easier. Many provide meals along with assisted living or memory care options. They also offer social activities, wellness programs to help residents stay active and connected. These communities can be more expensive, but the combination of housing, services, and support make them a practical option for many. Before we start planning what to take and what to release, be sure to look out for my top 10 list. Chapter 2, the action plan for your belongings. Before we start moving things, ask this for every item. Will this support the lifestyle and space I'm moving to? If the answer is no, it can be thanked and released. Start with areas with fewer emotional ties to build momentum without feeling overwhelmed. The kitchen and multiple zone. Keep your best 2 spatulas, keep 1 set of dishes, and use the 1-year rule. Have you used it in the last year? If the answer is no, it has to go. Linen closet. Extra sheets, towels, and bedding, keep what you truly need. The basement, the attic, and garage, your rarely used items. Use the 1-year rule again. Have I used it in the last year? If no, it has to go. Tips for letting go of sentimental items. A memory box. Fill 1 small box with sentimental items like photos or letters. If it does not fit in the box, it must be photographed and released. A photo album. Take photos of the items you cannot keep. The memory is the treasure. Gift with intention. Gift items to someone or an organization that will truly value them. Short bursts and one-touch rule. Work for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Handle each item only once and determine if you're going to keep, donate, or sell. Use downsizing tools. Using checklists, labels, or color-coded bins makes the process far less emotional. Bigger items. Planning with the blueprint method. Obtain a floor plan or room measurements of the home you're moving to. Ask your realtor for this. Draw your furniture to scale on graph paper and place the cutouts on the floor plan. If it doesn't fit, it goes. Go digital. Use free online tools like Room Sketcher or Planner 5D to drag and drop furniture into 3D layouts. This confirms exactly what fits before moving a single box. Clearing it out with local charities and support services. When volume and physical limitations make downsizing overwhelming, it's time to bring in support. St. Vincent de Paul, free at-home donation pickup for furniture, appliances, and household goods. Habitat for Humanity Restore. Great for donating large items, appliances, building materials, or cabinets. Love for Lane County, additional local support for donations. And don't forget about your local church. When to bring in a professional downsizer. If sorting, deciding, hauling, and coordination starts to feel like too much, consider a senior-focused downsizing company. These companies specialize in guiding older adults and families through every phase. Room-by-room sorting, gentle decision-making support, donation coordination, selling valuable items, pre-packing, move prep, new home setup and unpacking, staging the home for sale. It's a one-stop full-service approach designed to reduce stress and create a smooth transition. Stick around to the end of the video so you can see how I can help you with a professional downsizer. Chapter 3, Staging your home to sell. The final step in downsizing is getting your home ready to sell. You'll use the items you've already planned to keep, but you'll use them in a way that makes your home feel move-in ready. 5 key staging tips using items you already own. Depersonalize everything. Pack away all family photos, trophies, and personal collections. This isn't about erasing your story, it's about creating a space for buyers to imagine theirs. Maximize flow. Remove 1/3 of your furniture. Arrange the rest to create clear, wide walking paths, highlighted focal points, and makes the rooms feel spacious. Go light and bright. Open all the blinds and ensure every fixture has a working light bulb. Lights add visual square footage and they make the rooms feel more inviting. Hotel-style linens. Use your best bedding and towels in a crisp white or light colors to give bedrooms and bathrooms a clean, fresh look. Focus on the countertops. Clear kitchen and bathroom countertops completely. Only leave 1 or 2 decorative items, such as a fresh bowl of fruit or a small plant to add warmth without clutter. By following these tips, your house will feel move-in ready. Staging with what you already own is one of the easiest and most effective ways to attract buyers and to sell faster. Thank you for watching Downsizing Made Easy. Use the link below to schedule a time to chat with me. I'd love to learn how I could best help you on your downsizing journey. And as promised, if you decide to work with me as your realtor, I'll provide you with free professional downsizing help, tailored to your wants and needs. Sign up today, and I look forward to meeting you.